So just
As the chairman of economic development.
meeting is there, sir. Just one more.
Yeah,
See, we have submitted a report.
yeah, wait, sir, wait.
We have submitted a report for the government to decide, no?
Okay, government and accept केलं report.
Yeah, there are
Sir,
certain,
look.
all depends on the government. There are certain things, long term, short term, medium term. So it's up to government.
3 slab आणि suggestions दिले. Long term, medium term.
No, but the report was already submitted long back, no, sir.
आज किती असले
आज आयचे meeting.
clarifications.
Clarification, whatever.
CM किती question query raise केली.
Please ask this year.
Sir, but
See, all I'll tell you is the committee that was formed, our term is over. Okay, so now whatever it is, it's for the government to decide.
your term is over.
Term is over.
How long was the term?
The term was what till submitted the final
आणि
report.
extension ना.
The terms of reference were to submit the report. No?
Okay.
Okay.
By committee ना अशी.
Committee's role is over. The committee's role is over.
Sir, but looking at the economy, just your general perception
Yeah.
about the state economy, and when you talk about revival of the economy, how is the scenario?
This scenario, as far as it's tough scenario. I mean, there's no easy solution to anything. But the government is working very closely with industry to find to solve some of the difficulties that we have, and the industry is facing, and at the same time managing the its own financing.
Which sectors we can look at upon to revive the economy in the state, especially when you talk about mining is down. Yeah, that's what.
Focus sector. Sorry, I didn't get the
Focus
question.
No,
sector
which sectors?
Every sector. I mean, every sector is important to be revived. No?
आणि सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटने 20 लाख करोड जी पॅकेज अनाऊन्स केली त्याचं या इथून आसपा तुमच्या इथून रिकमेंडेशन बेस्ड ऑन डेट आहा आणि तुम्ही फायदा
Not that. You see, that as far as government, this 20,000 crore, the central government package includes benefits for SMEs, benefits for agriculture. So all that will definitely flow to the industries and SMEs involved.
रिफ्लेक्ट जातं तुमचे करपाक रिवायवलाचे
Yeah, but that is automatically for the industry to take it up with the bank. Ne?
ओके
The
So-
banks and the industry have to take it up, and the government is helping us with taking it up with the banks.
Sir, you being the chairman of the Economic Revival Committee, and when Goa is considered as tourism, mining, and when everything has been stopped, how important is this? These are the major things that needs to be revived, or what?
No, let me share with you. The government of Goa is, given the limitations of COVID, the government is taking all steps necessary, fully cooperating with the industry, encouraging the industry to revive mining as well as tourism.
But in this present scenario,
Yes.
can tourism revive? Or the other things we have to look at?
Point is, tourism in Europe, I can only talk about, I mean, not up to me to decide what.
No, your general perception, views.
In Europe, for example, there are tourism being revived in some parts of France, some parts of England. So there are charter flights people are thinking of operating in Europe. So if we learn from them and we sort of try and take the precaution to the extent possible within the safeguarding the population of Goa, there's some possibility.
Yesterday, the health secretary said in her press conference that not for tourists not to come to Goa at this moment. So when you talk about such type of scenario,
Wait a minute. So that's for the that's the official statement. Then why are you asking me? I can't comment
no.
beyond the health secretary.
I'm
Mining.
your views, sir.
No, my views, what she says is right. Health secretary, health of the people is very important. So going forward, I mean, I'm not saying today, yesterday, or tomorrow. It's a long-term.
Correct.
Yeah. This is not something like a monsoon season that gets
Yeah.
over and stuff. So it's all depends on when we will find a vaccine. When we will find, if not a vaccine, at least a cure.
तर इकॉनॉमिक रिवायवल मायनिंगाचो रोल कितलो आसपाक शकता रिस्टार्ट
See, you will also accept that the state's revenue have been hurt. No?
Correct.
So, because everything has come to a standstill. So, if mining starts, then obviously government will get a big boost from the.
मनी विल ग्रो इन इकॉनॉमी
No, the revenue that the government will improve in terms of direct accruals to the government, in terms of royalty, co-annual permanent fund. In addition to that, there will be a lot of secondary generation in terms of GST, in terms of VAT.
इकॉनॉमिक रिवायवल कमिटी मायनिंगाचो पॉयंट बी घेतला कन्सिडर केला.
Of course, I mean it's all irrespective of the revival of the revival committee, the CM himself has been following it up with Delhi for.
So one way also we talk about there have been certain people who have been talking about agricultural sector.
Agriculture also has been taken up, and we have suggested steps and measures for revival of the agriculture sector.
Okay. So that has also become an important factor now.
It's always an important sector. I don't think that was ever neglected. We have suggested all industries. And
All
then-
small, big sectors.
So, and the government is very positive in trying to do. I mean, what I really admire about the Chief Minister and his team is that they are looking at jointly, along with industry, reviving the economy. It is not that you and I, it's we together.
Okay.
And which is a big
They're taking
positive.
suggestions.
No, which is a big positive for all of us. That the government is looking at industry as whether it's the tourism, MSME or whatever it is, as partners in the revival,
Okay.
which is a very, very welcome change.
सगळे डिसिजनाक तुमकां कन्सिडर केले.
Nee, म्हणजे they look at our problems as their problem, and their problem they're sharing with us.
Okay.
So I think which is a unique way of sorting out issues.
That never happened before.
No, it's a new way. I mean, which I think the great credit goes to the CM.
How long it can take?
To answer your question, as long as it takes to find a vaccine or a cure.
Okay.
Life can never be the same. Life can never be. I can't shake hands with you. I can't, give you a warm embrace. Those days, I think, are gone. So you have to live with caution. I mean, it's you know, I know. I can't read the newspaper in the morning. I have to be happy with the e-paper. So you have to, that's the new norm today.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.